MS Vice Chancellor, APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Ms. Sharada Jayashrishnan, Chair IEEE Kerala Section, and Dr. Santosh Kumar G, Chair IEEE Kochi Section for this inaugural session. Other than that, there are a number of eminent ex-EPCOM members of IEEE Kerala Section joining this inaugural session. Now, I invite Dr. Santosh Kumar G for a welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Trupti. Greetings from Kochi subsection. I'm indeed delighted to welcome you all to this 3-day Region 10 sponsored workshop on panel of conference organizers. So this is a special initiative from IEEE and popularized by ARTEN to uphold the quality of IEEE conferences and meetings. As you know, quality is the bedrock of many activities that is happening in IEEE and joy of volunteering. So both we have to uphold. So in this aspect, how to conduct conferences and meetings in a quality way. So here we have eminent persons to address you, especially under the leadership of IEEE Kerala section. We were able to bring in a lot of quality programs, a lot of IEEE flagship programs in the state of Kerala. And our volunteers were able to get a lot of experiences. And this is the time to share these experiences with the whole IEEE world. So I'm very delighted to invite Region 10 Director, Mr. Deepak Mathur. He readily agreed and he actually given me a call. I was a bit surprised. The Region 10 Director directly calling to a humble volunteer. And that surprise, basically, I learned from that surprise that Deepak Mathur always keeps very intimacy to its IEEE volunteers in all levels. So we are very delighted, sir, to welcome you to this important meeting. Welcome you, sir. When I was thinking who all are the beneficiaries of this conference, so there are a lot of requests that is coming to Kerala section for technical association as well as financial association of IEEE events. So I thought many engineering colleges are readily giving these type of requests, and they must be actually trained on the quality part of the IEEE meetings. So I contacted Kerala Technological University, and Rajashree Madam, actually, when she heard IEEE, without any hesitation, Madam told me, if it is IEEE event, I'll be definitely there. I know the quality and the way in which you conduct the program. So that was the first impression that I got from Madam. So I'm very happy to invite Dr. Rajashree Madam, the dynamic Vice Chancellor of APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. Welcome you, Madam, to this event.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Under the leadership of IEEE Kerala section, I think we have marked our own place in the globe, and our chair, versatile person, Ms. Sharada Jayashrishnan, is here with us for felicitating this event. I'm happily welcoming you, Madam, to this event.
Thank you, Santosh.
Yeah. And I'm indeed very happy that to note that many participants have registered all over the country, as well as many guests are there from outside the country. So that gives us immense pleasure, and we are very happy to share our experiences with all the participants. I'm delighted to invite and welcome all the participants to this program. And we are very happy to have dynamic leaders like Dr. Suresh Nair, IC in India Council Chair, and Dr. Samir, Region 10 Secretary. Welcome, a special welcome to you both, sir, Suresh Nair and Samir, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'm very much delighted to see all the section Exicom, Kerala section Exicom. I always enjoy the leadership and the association with all members in all programs. So I delightfully welcome all Exicom members along with Exicom of Kerala Kochi subsection and all the volunteers to this program. So I hope participants will get a lot of things from this event. Please try to get most out of this 3-day interactions. Thank you one and again for joining, and once again I welcome all of you to this event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have the inaugural speech by Mr. Deepak Mathur, Director IEEE R10 with us. Mr. Deepak Mathur, former Chief General Manager of ONGC, has been in this industry for over 3 decades. He has experience in the field of electronics, telecommunication, IT, and has various engineering and managerial positions. He has served in leadership roles with IEEE at section, council, region, and MGA levels. With great pleasure, I invite Deepak Mathur, sir, to inaugurate this workshop and share his experience with us.
Thank you, Dr. Tripti. Thank you very much for kind introduction. Dr. Rashri, Vice Chancellor, APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Dr. Suresh Nair, Chair of India Council, Mrs. Sarda Jayakrishnan, Chair IEEE Kerala Section, my fellow colleague, Dr. S.M. Samir, Secretary Region 10, and Dr. Santosh Kumar, Chair of IEEE Kochi subsection and the initiative leader for this POCO, and all committee members of this POCO, distinguished guests, my IEEE colleagues, and all participants. So a very good evening to all of you. So let me share with you some facts. So this time, 7 organizational units have been awarded POCO by Region 10. And this is out of 104 OUs. When I say 104 OUs, we have 59 sections, 39 subsections, and 6 councils in Region 10. And recently we have added one more section. Rather, we have elevated one subsection to section, and now we are having 60 sections, and we have added 3 more subsections, so we are having 42 subsections. So 7 OUs were selected. In 7 selected OUs, there are 6 sections and 1 subsection. And Kochi subsection is the only subsection selected for this funding. And I congratulate Kochi subsection for this achievement. So such recognition only comes because of efforts of our dedicated and committed volunteers. Of course, under the guidance of leadership. And it is result of meticulous planning and excellent preparation of the proposal for the call. So I'm sure the execution is also going to be excellent. Participants of this POCO are going to be benefited by great sessions by eminent speakers. The objective of organizing the Region 10 POCO workshop is to provide an opportunity to volunteers to understand various aspects of conferences through the best practices and from the experiences of leaders who organize successful conferences. So POCO also recommends to cover various topics of processes and procedures followed in organizing IEEE conferences. So the other important topics which could be learned in POCO are the plagiarism and management of completion and closing of a conference. That is very important aspect. And I'm sure with this focus, POCO is going to be a real value add. In 2021 and 2022, Region 10 has a special thrust on conference quality. We have a separate committee on conference quality management, and which is being chaired by Dr. Michael Ong. Mike is a very experienced in conference management, and he's also one of the speakers in this POCO. So he's going to add great value along with other eminent speakers in 3-day program. So Region 10 is encouraging to spread awareness about the conferences and has also organized several workshops to train and educate volunteers on various aspects of conference organization. And that is through its conference leadership program. Previously, we used to organize this in person, but during the pandemic, we have continued this program in the form of virtual training workshop. So such programs are going to be continued efforts, and we would be organizing more programs in coming years. Please look for the announcement and avail the opportunity. In 2021, as I was just telling you before, rather in 2021 and 2022, Region 10 has thrust areas, and one of the thrust area is conference quality management. We would like to ensure that Region 10 conferences maintain the high standard of quality in all conferences we organize. And POCO is a way to empower our sections, subsections to take lead and organize their own programs to educate their own volunteers on conferences. So I'm happy to know that the participation is also from countries like Dubai and Vietnam in this POCO. And I'm thankful to Dr. Santosh Kumar. He just messaged me around an hour back about this information. That is a really good news. And I have gone through the program schedule and topics covered. And I'm sure that the event was very meticulously planned, and it is covering all important topics in a 3-day long event. And I appreciate the idea of panel discussion. I'm sure there will be much deliberations and brainstorming on how to make conferences effective, and which brings value to not only to the participants, but also to the organizers. I found one aspect conspicuously missing in the schedule, and I wish you bring that in your discussions. So that is industry-academia collaboration. In many of our conferences, we found this important element not adequately addressed, but there is a need to brainstorm on this issue. In my view, just bringing a speaker from industry is not enough and won't be addressing the real issue for which we are looking for. We need to involve industry in our activities. And for that, we should brainstorm and explore possible ways of collaboration and participation. If you ask me that how to do that, I'll not be able to answer that. We have to explore the possibility how to do that. And let me acknowledge the efforts of volunteers of Kochi subsection and Kerala section, especially the efforts of young professionals and students for their contributions. My full appreciation is for the leadership of Kerala section and Kochi subsection in promoting such activities. I would like to thank Mrs. Sharada Jayakrishnan and Dr. Santosh Kumar for their remarkable leadership, and would like to congratulate them as well as Kochi subsection and Kerala section team for their excellent performance, even during the difficult times where lots of challenges were posed by the ongoing pandemic. So during the pandemic, it was not easy to organize events. And there were great challenges. It was difficult to keep our members engaged, but the team of our volunteers throughout the region, in each and every section, have been outstanding with great achievements. And I'm proud of our volunteers for their contributions, and all deserve great appreciations. So before I conclude, let me also thank Mr. Binu, Ganesh Shekhar, Tripti Warrior, and other team members associated with the POCO for their untiring efforts and meticulous planning of this event. I'm sure this is going to be a value add for all participants. I also appreciate the guidance and participation of Kerala section volunteer leaders like Dr. Bijuna Kunju, Dr. Biju, Dr. M.D. Rajesh. And thank you, Dr. Santosh, for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We would like to present a token of our appreciation for sharing your thoughts and being present here through uh, virtual display. Further, I would like to add that we are indeed privileged that we are organizing this during this pandemic. And thank you for highlighting the significant points that are missing in our workshop. I'm sure we shall try to work on it, and also pointing out the significant important highlights that has to be looked upon by the student participants who are attending this. Thank you, sir. So next, I would like to invite Dr. Rajeshri MS. She is the Vice Chancellor of APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University to address the virtual gathering. She has been part of this academic community for over 3 decades and has been actively involved in teaching and research activities. She has been successfully leading various organizations also. So looking forward to a special address from a very special person. Over to you, madam.
Mr. Deepak Mathur, Director, IEEE R10. Ms. Sharada Jayakrishnan, Chair, IEEE Kerala Section. Dr. Santosh Kumar, Chair, IEEE Kochi Subsection. Dr. Suresh Nair, Dr. Samir, who is our own board member and who is also the Secretary to R10 region. So I'm very happy to see that the volunteers are representing not only the state, but it's nationally and the whole of R10. So that itself signifies the value that the academic and research community of the professionals have given to IEEE in our state. There are also a large faculty members who have joined, and IEEE distinguished members, volunteers, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a very unique privilege for me to be part of this. The university, being a newly started one, just 6 years old, we always look for our growth, especially the growth in professionalism. That is how we would like to see it. And we are always open for best practices for everything in governance, in academic reforms, in new initiatives, in research, and in conducting events and everything. So with all the elements of a starting university, we have our own limitations in managing the large number of research centers of the university, which are spread across the state in its various affiliated colleges. We have around 40 such centers, and it is very difficult for us to do the management of these activities, research activities that are going on. And in this conduct of conferences happens and the progression of research, everything happens. So bringing in such good practices is very critical for us, and that is how we decided to collaborate with this event. And I am thankful to Dr. Santosh Kumar for opening this for the benefit of the faculty members and researchers of Kerala Technological University. Otherwise, it is likely that we would have missed it, or people listening to these deliberations over these 3 years. When it comes to conferences, it is more than a year. Maybe in some cases 2-3 years long work, which starts from the meticulous planning and then its management and execution, which is even though there are systems and frameworks for the execution of this, and it is easy to connect to the network of experts and opportunities around. The thought that we give to it in realizing this in a way that the outcome is specified and the outcome is reached is very significant. So that is where the theme for a conference is important, the kind of papers, the kind of the quality that you attribute to the contributions, the overall management, everything becomes significant. Now, Mr. Deepak Mathur was pointing about the involvement of industry, and the sudden thing that occurred to me was we specifically concentrate on a theme for the conference, and from the starting itself, we can attach to an industry and one or multiple industries which are which are working on that theme, or that theme is significant for them, and involve those people with their problems, with their challenges, with their research issues, then the conference outcome goes to a very different plane, and it can have several other activities that can emanate from it. So that is how we should have the network established when the conference is on. And I believe such kind of all the sessions like plagiarism management and the whole thing, then selection of papers, getting good quality research papers, and everything becomes inherent in the researchers, and then it is practiced everywhere. Because the way a person becomes a researcher is from the ecosystem in which he or she is puts in, and that is very important. That is not one's own contribution or one's own knowledge, but it is the knowledge that is assimilated from the interactions, which is not only the conferences, but the community of people around him, around the researcher, and the community of people around the research advisor, and at a large scale, the research institute itself, how well the institute acknowledges the activities of research, how well several different people participate in the research deliberation. Everything becomes important. That is how the work, the output, the publications, the presentations, everything gets refined then. So that is a culture that needs to be brought in, and all these activities planned in a meticulous manner will always reflect in the research publications and also the presentation of the research publications. So the conference organization and conference organization by an institution who subscribe to these kind of activities will be a natural culmination of the best practices in all these, and the quality there will become tangible when all these processes are put in place. That is how the attendees of these events should look at it. The themes are very well structured, and everything unified together will make the serious participant of this 3-day event a good conference organizer if the things are taken seriously. So I'm thankful to Kochi subsection and IEEE Kerala section, IEEE India Council for this opportunity for us. And I wish that the participants will have very solid takeaways from these 3 evening sessions. And I wish everyone good luck. Let us continue to work together to enhance the quality of everything, research, contributions to society, and advance in humanity. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for collaborating with us and emphasizing the importance of quality in all levels. Thank you, madam. And we would like to present a token of appreciation virtually to you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, next we have someone who need not be introduced in this particular forum, but anyway, it is my honor to invite Ms. Sharada Jayakrishnan, Chairman IEEE Kerala section, for this felicitation. So she has a vast industrial experience, and she's a dynamic volunteer leader of IEEE Kerala section for more than a decade, and I have personally interacted with her, and I'm always inspired whenever I talk to her. So being a woman in field of manufacturing, she's an inspiring WIE member. Over to you, madam, for your felicitation.
Thank you, Trupti. Respected VC of KTU, Rajeshri ma'am, Deepak ji, Art and Director, Dr. Santosh, Chair of Kochi subsection, Suresh sir, Samir, I can see many of my fellow IEEE volunteers in this program, and also the eager participants who are looking ahead to be part of this POCO. First of all, thank you to Rajeshri ma'am for readily being available in a way that the whole KTU is supporting this special workshop, which has made it more unique. because this mini POCO series have been continuing, and the Art and POCO in its way had happened last year under Malabar section, this subsection. This year it has moved to IEEE Kochi subsection. So a big congratulations to Santosh and the team and all the volunteers there. And of course, Kochi subsection has been supporting a lot of major conferences for Kerala section, hosting the 10Con, and also showing that, yes, how conference, not only in terms of numbers, but also in terms of the quality of the papers, the way the participant gets what is deserved for him or her. I was actually, Deepakji took out of my mouth what I was planning to say. I was indeed looking through the schedule and was wondering, because I remember when we had actually proposed this POCO, there was a mention about an industry session, and that is what inspired me. I said, yes, we must go for this. And then I was looking through, I didn't find, and he just took it out of my mouth. And Rajashri ma'am, when she mentioned about how we must inculcate this concept right from the beginning, I was just thinking that, see, Kerala section has a very powerful tool for looking at how the conferences could be managed, and how anybody who associates with Kerala section always does a good conference. One of the best practice has been, we have a very structured conference activities board. This year, the past 2 years, led by a veteran like our Dr. Lilikuti Jacob. So I was just thinking that next time on, any academic institution comes out for a technical conference, a technical association with us, a proposal, we must insist that there should be an industry, like Rajashri ma'am said, associated with the conference, so that right from the beginning there is a partnership, and which can later on become build an ecosystem in its own in any area. We don't have a dearth of industries available all across. Of course, now with the virtual mode, anybody can collaborate from anywhere. So congratulations again. I'm sure this is going to be a great program, especially with speakers who are stalwarts. Suresh sir, Bijuna, anytime we think about program or a technical chair, it's Bijuna's name comes to our mind. So, and many others, and Biju our treasurer has come forward to speak about the most important part, which is budgeting, and also how do you close the ends. That's also a very important part. So I'm sure this is going to be a great program, and there are many more associations that are going to come in future, which will be beneficial for the research community, and so thereby to the industry as such. Thank you again, and good luck.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your continuing support. So we would like to present a token of appreciation through virtually to you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Next is actually I would be the session is going to conclude, and I would be delivering the vote of thanks, and so I extend my our gratitude to Mr. Deepak Mathur sir, Samir sir, Rajashri madam, Sharada madam, Suresh sir, and many other dignitaries of IEEE who have taken so much time out of their busy schedule and have are part of this inaugural session. Special thanks to Dr. Santosh Kumar sir for being instrumental in coming up with the plan and sending the proposal and making this workshop possible. I thank all the IEEE volunteers who have supported us through their suggestions, technical and non-technical help and continue. And I hope that they continue to support us. support us. Special thanks to actually Mr. Binu and Mr. Ganesh Shekhar for their continuous support and hard work throughout the planning of this workshop. Finally, I'm really happy to see that the turnout for this inaugural session is almost reaching 80, which shows the support that is there throughout Kerala IEEE members. Members. So I would like to thank them all who are present here and thank the enthusiastic participants. Hope that they make use of this opportunity and are successful in organizing flagship conference throughout different parts of India. And I am assuming there are international participants also here. So I definitely hope that this will reflect in the quality of the conference they organize. So with this, I conclude the inaugural session and thank you one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Prati. Thank you, Mathur sir and Rajashree madam.
And congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So you
Thank
are
you.
the only subsection out of 42 subsection bagging this prestigious POCO from Region 10.
Thanks for having confidence in us, sir.
And Deepakji, they're one of the most largest subsection in the world.
Yes.
So
Yeah. Rajashree madam, thank you for bringing with very important point. Definitely, we will come up with a lot of programs which will associate with industry and maybe researchers. Yeah. Thank you so much, madam, for joining us.
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Yeah, nice meeting you,
Thank
Mr. Deepak Mathur.
Thank you,
Keep
madam.
meeting.
Yes, we will keep meeting
Virtually.
virtually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
At least
Okay.
once in 2 months we meet.
Right.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Sharda madam, thank you. Samir sir, thank you. Suresh sir, thank you.
Yeah.
So
Thank
all
you,
the
madam.
participants can take a small break. Just hang on. The next session will be starting by 7:15 sharp. Just hang on. Thank you.